Hello there. Today we are diving into the world of artificial intelligence because we have got something special that make you wow. Imagine a Tokyo street in neon glow, full of activity with animated signs. Now picture a stylish woman striding through the electric wonder, leather jacket, red dress and black boots. Okay, stop. Come to reality. This is AI generated video. This is not a real one. That's where our story began. Well, this is all done with Sora AI, the brainchild of OpenAI, a new advanced AI video generator that comes into the market. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel. It will give you a boost to make more tech videos like this. So, how does it work? It is like a ChatGPT, but the output will be the desired video. You need to feed the written description and it consumes a 60 seconds HD video. You need no cameras, no action, just imagination. And rest is pure AI magic. Do you remember the video of Will Smith eating noodles that were created by AI last year? Everyone can easily identify that it was an AI generated video. But this time there is no chance to identify which is AI generated and which is original. Because look at these samples. How it can create complex scenes, lighting, detailing, and it can also manage the highlights, shadows very effectively. Sora AI can create videos only without audio, and this model is still in the development stage. OpenAI just announced this model last week, and people are going crazy about this. In future, you should ask yourself, is it Sora or is it reality? Comment on your opinion on this technology. Let's wait and see how the video creating field is changing by AI. If you found this video interesting, please like the video and make sure to subscribe to the channel.